Arnachalam. Actually, it was a nice webinar, and I learned a lot of things on that day. And I thought, before attending this webinar, I thought to pronounce the word women as woman only. After attending this webinar only, I learned to pronounce the correct pronunciation of the word women as women. And in this webinar, I learned what is syllable, and how to find the syllables of a word, and what are the types, and many things I have learned through this webinar. And the methodology I have learned, and which is I am going to use in my everyday day-to-day life, is the one sentence said by one person in this webinar. I like that sentence very much, that if you want to speak, if you want to have the fluency in English means, then you should always think in your mind in English language only. This sentence attracts me most, and I trust this. This would make me to get fluency in English. And after attending this webinar, my fear to speak in English in front of others has been reduced. Thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.